If you want to see what I got in both my February base and premium boxes, keep on watching. Good morning, my YouTubies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Victoria. Nice to meet you. So it is Monday, President's Day. Hope you guys have a happy Monday. I have 2 boxes for you today, but let me do one at a time. We'll see how froggy I am. So, base box. And, okay, so there isn't anything on the back. It says treat your heart out and something epic in the works. So, let's hope that something pretty awesome is in the works. First thing I have here is the YC Collection Marble Sponge Duo. One of them is contoured and the other one is like your traditional teardrop. I haven't really been using foundation for the exception of like skating or photographs or anything like that, so I'm going to leave these intact for a giveaway. And that's what sucks about this, there's no pricing. So, there's that. Oh, this is Rare Beauty. This is their Liquid Touch Foundation in number 360W. Seems kind of dark, doesn't it? Yeah, that's gonna go in a giveaway as well. All right, let's see what this is. Give Them Lala Beauty. This is called Booty Call. I wonder what this is. Lala Hydra Matte. So I'm assuming this is a lip. This is really pretty. This is, if you can't see that, it's like marble and it's frosted. And that is the color. Damn, my box, man. I'm sad. That's also going in a giveaway. All right. Number 4, Everyday Vacay Coconut Oil. This is by Ciate. I think we're going to do both boxes. Okay. Very aesthetically pleasing. This frosted white, pearlescent white with the rose gold. And this is good because lips are dry. Lips are really dry. Not so much smell. A little bit of a hint of flavor to it. Nothing too sweet. Directions for use. Put on lips. Swipe over bare lips. Okay. Okay. That works. And lastly, let's see, so this one. Beauty Bakery, Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. It's like, this reminds me of like, oh, I don't know why I'm doing this because there's no mirror in there. But look at those colors. Very warm, very pretty. Chia pudding, mango pudding, almond jelly. Let's do chia pudding, which is this one, spiced caramel, and then a warm cocoa. Just to swatch it. Those are very pretty. I may have to do a makeup look with these colors, I'm just saying. Just saying. Okay, so this is in the base box. I can't say honestly that I'm disappointed because the foundation stuff, you know, like the poofs and stuff, you know, it is what it is. It's a tool. But a lip that is lighter than my skin tone and foundation that's darker. Maybe I did select the wrong color, but I don't know. Can't honestly say that I'm disappointed. Alright, so let's go into the premium box as I drop stuff. Same thing. Ooh. Okay, Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick by Ace Beauty. This is in color Manifest. Is this gonna... It's pretty, but all right, just for ha-has. This is like concealer on my lips, dude. I don't know. Okay, so fleshy tone. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but all right. Second here, Beauty Bakery Hydro Silk Primer. Let's try this primer. Silk and antioxidants. I like how they made this look like butter. Oh. Hydrating lightweight primer. Extends where your makeup applied to bare skin. I just want to see the texture of this is. Oh, it does feel silky. I don't know if this has any type of like blurring effect, but it just says it smooths out the skin. Unfortunately, I don't have a foundation that would be effective to show, but I'll have to try it. I have competition this weekend, so maybe we can try it out there. Jubilee palette. Oh, I got Natasha Denona. This is really pretty. And these colors here. Let's see. So, Vintage Taupe, Intense, Limoncello, Enigma, and Mint Frost. So, of course, I have to try these shimmers because, you know, just as pretty. Feels like butter. I fucking love Natasha Denona, and if you've never tried it, you need to try it. Okay. Velvety Body Cream by Refreshments. This is their line. Maybe it would help if I took the thingy off. What do you think? It's nice and thick. No smell because it does say unscented. Oh, this feels really nice. It's like refreshing. I don't know why I keep smelling it, and I know that there is no smell to it, but skin has a nice little healthy glow. This is really awesome. Maybe we'll keep it here at the office. Ooh, I got two things here. LiQWYD Secret Garden 3D Blush and Glow Palette. Oh my god, this is so pretty. When I mean it's pretty. Look at that, it is so pretty. See, this is the time that I wish I had my brushes with me. Oh my god. Just for ha-has, I'm going to do this bad boy here. It's so pretty. Aw, it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna do this one as a topper. Oh, it's so pretty. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Ugh. Now that I got my cheekies on, I will have to do an eye look. All right, last but not least, I have Ciate, the Royal Edition 24 eyeshadow palette. Wow. Not what I was expecting. I was thinking more like all different types of blues, but this is very pretty. Let's do these three: Empress, Spectre, and Throne. Feels like butter as usual. And I'm sure if there was, if I had eyeshadow primer on underneath on my hand, the color would come out bold as hell. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna do some eyes, okay? So here is my final look. So I had used the Secret Garden 3D blush. As far as eyes, I went ahead with the Beauty Bakery. I did the mango pudding is the in the contour, you know what I mean? Then the rice pudding and the brow bone, and then a little bit of almond jelly, all using my fingers because I don't have any brushes with me. Then for my eyebrows, I've been using this L'Oreal ink pen and the Anastasia to kind of sculpt them a bit. The Tarte Double Takeaway, Awake, huh? Eyeliner duo, and then the Salute to the Sun. And you know what? I told you that I would give you a little update on that, and actually my eyelashes feel very soft. I don't want to say nourished because I hope they're nourished, but and then my Pout Perfect is Beauty lip. But yeah, that is the final look. Thank you so much for joining me, and shortly, well, it'll have to be after I return home from work, but we'll have a little giveaway planned out. All right, thanks you guys. You have a great day, okay?